Hello, hello, hello. Hi, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I'm back. I am so sorry that I have not been on since Wednesday, but today is just going to be a really quick video to recap what's been going on and what I've got going on this week. Um, I left Wednesday afternoon and I went to my daughter's house. She lives an hour and a half from me. She got a full-time teaching job. Yay! I'm so proud of her. She's going to be teaching 6th grade math, and I'm so excited. So, her and her husband, she teaches middle school. He teaches at the high school, and so they both had in-services last week getting ready for this week for school to start. So, I went up Wednesday afternoon and I helped take care of the boys Thursday and Friday while they were at in-services. And so I had no time whatsoever to put videos out the rest of the week. And I'm sorry, I meant to put notifications out to everybody and just didn't do it. So, but I was called to Grammy duty. And when I'm called to Grammy duty, Grammy takes control and goes. So, um, yeah, so today I just want to kind of go over what's happening. Um, Shannon and I, there will not be a live today. That's another thing I want to talk about to you guys today. I usually do a members only live, and it's not going to happen today. My mom is needing a lot of help today. She has been, and I don't think I told you guys this, but she has been diagnosed with, her heel was hurting her really, really bad. And so her heel is really bothering her when she walks. So we went to an orthopedic and had him check it out, and they x-rayed it. She's got a lot of arthritis in her foot, which doesn't surprise me. Her body is riddled with arthritis. But she has on the back of her heel, there was this bump, and he said it's called Achilles tendonitis. So they have put her in a boot for a week, and she has an arthritic cream that she rubs on her heel a couple times a day, and she wears the boot all day. Then she takes it off at night when she goes to bed, puts it back on in the morning. Well, she's struggling to be able to get that boot on correctly. And so I have to go over there in the morning. She's okay at night because she's just taking it off. But I have to go over there in the mornings and make sure that she has her boot on, um, and has it on correctly, because I've gone over there and she thinks she has it on right, and it's all messed up. She says it keeps slipping. Well, she doesn't have the strength in her hands to pull the straps tight to, and it's just a whole thing. She really struggles with getting, so I'm going to have to go over there every morning for a month and make sure she has the boot on correctly. And then she has started getting confused about the dials on her stove and what dial goes with which eye. And so she's afraid to use her stove, which I'm glad she's at the awareness level still that she recognizes that. So she has several items in her freezer that she is not cooking that have been in there for quite a while that need to be cooked. So I'm going to go over there and cook her up some food so that all she has to do is pop it in the microwave to eat it. So I've got a busy day today. That's why I cannot go live on my members channel today. And y'all, I'm really, with as much care as my mom is needing, I'm going to have to take it week by week as far as being able to um, do the lives for my members. What I'm going to try and do is just have special videos every Monday for my members. I don't know what that's going to be yet. I've got to figure that out this week. So, and then Tuesday, I do not have a video out, but Shannon and I are going to return to doing our Pink Teal lives Tuesday night, and that will be at 8 p.m. Central and 9 p.m. Eastern. So make sure, and that'll be on Shannon's channel. They won't be airing on my channel anymore. That is because StreamYard, the streaming platform that we use, um, they have increased their prices so ridiculously high. I can't afford it anymore. And I can they have a free option, and I'm doing the free option. But with the free option, it doesn't allow you to Shannon can set it up, but I can no longer link my channel with the live so that it shows on. They just want too much money. It's just the cost is ridiculous, and I'm not doing it. So, um, it will only be shown on Shannon's channel, which is fine. It's okay. I love that she's going to get the views. But I'm doing lives on my um, members part, and who knows, I may start picking up some lives myself on my channel, but we'll see. That may not be till next year. I've got to plan my year out. So we will have a live, and it will be only aired on from now on out. It will only be aired. The Pink Teal lives will only be aired on Shannon's channel. So make sure you go to the Spoony Stitchers channel, um, click the notification so you'll be notified when the live starts, and meet up with us tomorrow night. Wednesdays are Battle of the Stitches. We're starting a new month, y'all. August. Can't believe it. Kids are back in school again, and it's August. So this is our stitch for August. It's called the chain link stitch. And guys, if you've never tried one of the Battle of the Stitches, this is the one to do. It's a 4-row repeat, but it's so simple that you can pick up the repeat in no time. And so Wednesday, I will have a video out I will have a tutorial out for this stitch. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. And it's not too late if you want to be a part of Battle of the Stitches this month. We have Sarah from One Hook, Two Hands that's joining us. But we need one more. So it's not too late. You can still join in and have a video out Wednesday to show this stitch. So let me know. Shoot me an email. My email's in the description box. Let me know if you'd like to battle it out with us. Thursday, Devotional Thursday. I will start that back up Thursday. And then Friday, I will do a catch up on Duck Duck Dishcloth because I completely skipped it this past week. I just did not have time. Life right now is lifing, and things are crazy. And so, yeah, I ask that you guys pray for my mama because she's struggling. Her sister passed away. So now both of her siblings are gone. She's the only sibling, and of course her parents have been gone for years, but she just feels really alone right now, and we are trying to reassure that she is not alone. And I think she's really afraid that her time is coming soon. She is 81, and it's all she thinks about. So it's almost kind of putting her in a depressed state. So I just pray that you guys will. I hope that you all will pray for her. And her name is Betty. If you could pray for her, I would greatly appreciate it. Pray for strength for her. Pray that she can see that there are people around her who love her very much, and that she still has a full life to live. So I just pray that she can snap out of this depressive state and just get back to wanting to be out and to be with people, and all that stuff. So that is what's going on with Critters Crochet. We have started. I hope you all are working on it. Remember, we have also going on. I will not have a tutorial out today. That's probably what's going to happen. Here's what's going to happen because that just went off in my head. It is the 1st of August. I will not have the August square out for a tutorial today. That will come out tomorrow. Today is Crazy Town, and I will film that tutorial this afternoon when I get back from taking care of Mom. and then the tutorial for the August stone will be and I haven't done the drawing for that or anything yet. That will be tomorrow. So stay tuned for the birthstone blanket August square tomorrow. Tomorrow morning that'll come out. And then we have our ugly Christmas sweater challenge going on right here on Critters Crochet. Ugly Christmas Sweater Challenge 2026. So I hope you guys are participating in that. I have the first video out on the playlist called Ugly Christmas Sweater 2026. So go to that video to get all the details. The only thing that has changed is I did not get any responses for yarn swap. So we are not doing a yarn swap. So you can ignore the part about the yarn swap. That's not going to happen. So you can just go back to that video, and I'm not going to go over the details today. Just watch the video, and all the details will be there. Just ignore the part about the yarn swap. So I can't wait to see everybody's sweaters and what they are going to look like. Those, let's see, what else? We got the ugly Christmas sweater. Decade Divas, I'm working on my project this month. Decade Divas will start in September. So I'm so excited to see what everybody makes. As everybody puts up their videos in September, Shannon is going to create a playlist and have all of those videos there so that you can go to the playlist and see everybody's videos if you missed any. So that's going to be fun. That's coming up. Yeah, and I think that's it, except for me finishing up. I've got a few Christmas gifts that I need to finish. And yeah, busy time right now. From now until Christmas, it's going to be very, very busy for me. So yeah, that's my update for what's going on this week and part of the rest of this year. So I'm very excited for what the rest of this year is going to hold, and I pray that it's going to be a good ending to 2026. Got some great ideas for 2027 that I'll be sharing later on this year. And yeah, I'm just so happy that you guys are with me. The numbers right now for Critters Crochet are up to 2,720. So we're getting close. We're getting close, guys. So 280 subscribers to go to 3,000. Really excited about that. And yeah, so I'm going to get off of here because I need to head over to my mom's and get finished helping and get busy with all the stuff I need to do to help her today. And I will see you tomorrow for the tutorial on the August square for the birthstone blanket. And then I'll see you tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern on the Spoony Stitchers channel for Tink Peel Live. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Monday, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.